Hello everyone, this is Satyaprakash. Welcome to my channel. This is part 7 of Google Maps API. In this video, I'll show you how to create a polygon in Google Map using .NET. So in this video, I'll describe what is Google Maps Polygon and how to implement in MVC and Bootstrap, purpose behind Google Maps Polygon, and using animated marker with Google Maps Polygon. So guys, before going through this part 7, please visit my part 6, how to create a info window in Google Maps in .NET. So what is Google Maps Polygon? So a polygon consists of a series of coordinates in an ordered sequence. So the polygons are designed to define place coordinates within a closed loop. So polygons are made of straight lines. For example, there is 3 coordinates. One place is A, another place is B, and the third place is C. So we need to create a polygon in those 3 areas. So that is a part of that will be defined as a polygon, and it will be shown as a triangle. So guys, what is the description of I'll show you what the polygon supports the properties. So polygons support the following properties. One is path. Okay, so the path, it specifies the several lat long coordinates for the line. Third is stroke color, specifies a hexadecimal color for the line. And stroke capacity, it specifies the opacity of the line. And stroke weight, it specifies the weight of the line stroke in a pixel. And fill color properties, it specifies a hexadecimal color for the area within the enclosed region. And fill opacity, it specifies the opacity of the fill color. Editable, it defines the whether the line is editable by user. Okay, so this is the properties the polygon supports in Google Maps. Okay guys, so how to implement it in a .NET and Bootstrap. So guys, here this MVC application home controller. Okay, in home controller I have added one controller action method called polygon, and based the action method I have created one view. It is called polygon.cshtml. Okay, so this is the code for polygon.cshtml. So same as I used the 3 bootstrap paths in my local to support the bootstrap, that is for CSS and JS, that is bootstrap, and for jQuery JS. Okay, it is for responsive design and any jQuery related supports. It is implemented in this application, in this view. Okay, so this is the CSHTML code. So first of all, I'll tell you describe this code. So here I have mentioned 3 cities with their proper longitude and latitude details. So there is 3 places. One is Bhubaneswar, second is Hyderabad, third is Bengaluru. So these are 3 cities in India. So these 3 cities latitude longitude are defined here for respective cities. Okay, and second description is I have mentioned the polygon border color and fill color followed by opacity. Okay, so here you can see I have created one flight path. So here I have mentioned the polygon border color. Okay, and there is the and fill color followed by the opacity. Okay, so I already told you these properties what polygon supports, so I have mentioned this property value inside it for 3 cities. Okay, then third description is that is I put the animated marker for 3 different cities in polygon, and each marker, so these are the 3 places. Okay, one is Bhubaneswar, Hyderabad, and Bengaluru. For 3 cities I have placed the icon or Google Map icon in the image path. How to set, I have set the image, okay, flag.png. Okay, so this flag.p, how to set the Google Maps icon, you'll get this in my video, how to set the Google Maps icon. Okay, you can place your own image instead of a default one. So for 3 cities I have mentioned the images. Okay, and you can see here, so 3 properties can be, it will be act as a only static, and if you want to animate these 3 images, it will be set it as this animation properties for 3 cities. Okay, so this is all about the code description. So I'll show you again. This is the code description of polygon.cshtml. Okay, and here inside set math, in the flight path whatever I defined here for properties of polygon, I'm in the set map method I passed this map values. Okay, this map values I have passed, and for marker 1 also set map path, I set it as map variable whatever we have defined here, right, in the Google Map canvas map options. So this is the footer part. Okay, and the script I have enclosed, I just minimized it for security reason, so I cannot share that Google Map API key. So whatever you have created, you can just place it in the script. So I already told you in the how to create a Google Map API key for free, and how to use Google Map API key in .NET. So this is the code about the polygon.cshtml. Let's run our application. So guys, you can see my application loaded successfully. Home controller and polygon in the view. Okay, so you can see 3 coordinates. One is for, I'll just maximize this view. Okay, so this is the landing page of whatever I have set. This is the footer, this is the header, and this is the header one, and this is the Google Map you can configure in your application. So I need to full screen, so it will be easy to understand. So you can see there is 3 places I have set: Bhubaneswar, one is Hyderabad, third is Bengaluru. So you can see one triangle. So this setup, this is called the polygon. It will be 3 coordinates is connected. Okay, this is called the polygon, and whatever you see in the green and inside you have filled the yellow color. This is all we have set in our code, right? I'll show you again. In here you can see the stroke color, whatever set as green. If you just open it, so the green stroke color, right, the border you can see of the polygon, and the inside fill color I have mentioned here, the yellow. So you can see the fill color also here, you can see as a yellow, right? So same config as per the configuration, the output is shown here in the polygon in Google Maps. Okay guys, so then I need to tell you how it supports the Bootstrap or responsive. So right click on inspect. Okay, so once you inspect, there is application here. Okay, you can this is my Mozilla browser, Firefox. So you just click on the icon here, responsive design mode. There is one shortcut called Control+Shift+M. So if you select, you'll get the various devices what it supports in the Bootstrap, and you can see this output. Okay, also you can just drag here, and you can see these coordinates in responsive design. So if I'll select here iPhone 11, this is the responsive design at so here, and iPhone 11 12, so this is the responsive design. And if you select here Galaxy Note 20, so this is the output. Okay, so you can just zoom in and zoom out, okay, like this, and so you can use in iPad or iPad OS. So this is the output for iPad. Okay, so our application, it's Bootstrap support, so it supports the responsive design based on the various devices screens. Okay guys, so in this way we can implement polygon in .NET in Google Map. So there is one thing we need to discuss here is how we need to use the animation in the 3 images, Google Maps icon in 3 coordinates. So guys, here what I'll do is I already have set so I need to remove this comment slash, okay, and same way for second marker 2 and same way for third marker 2. So I enable this animation property for three places, 3 coordinates, so that my images will be animated. So guys, after enable the animation property in my code, I need to run my application to see the different output. So guys, here you can see this all images, it's at bounce mode, okay. So if you just full screen, and you can see this all 3 coordinates have the images, that is Google Maps icon, and earlier it was in fixed mode, but after set is the bounce, it is animated, right? All the images, it is bounced now. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.